Hello, good morning Year 6 and welcome to today's math session where we're going to be solving problems involving the conversion of units of mass. Now mass is weight, okay, so we're going to be looking at grams and kilograms, I'm going to be looking at decimal numbers and we're going to be using addition and subtraction. There's lots going on in this session. Now to get your brain warmed up and ready for the day, there's a Kahoot challenge here. So go to kahoot.it and have a go at this challenge here. It'll get you warmed up and ready for the day ahead. Now then, the first question I have got: how many grams are there in a kilogram? There are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. And how do I convert from kilograms to grams? I multiply by 1,000. So therefore, if I have got 3 kilograms, how many grams would that be? So it's 3 times 1,000, or 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. Okay, so 3 kilograms is equal to 3,000 grams. 2.555 kilograms. Remember, when I'm multiplying by 1,000, I'm moving everything in the place value table 3 places to the left. I'm moving them 3 places to the left, okay? Or if I've got decimal place, I'll be moving that 3 places to the right, okay? So 2.555 times 1,000 is 2,555 grams. 7.12 kilograms. There we go, 7.12 times 1,000, 7,120. And again, 8.4 kilograms. Well, if I'm timing that by 1,000, I need to move it 3 places to the left on the place value table, which will give me 8,400 grams. Okay. Now then, have a go at converting them. Pause the video if you need to, and we'll go through the answers in a second. So number 1 is 7,000 grams. B, 4,768 grams. C, 4,550 grams. And D, 9,500 grams. Well done if you got all of those correct. So let's have a little look at the next section. Now we're going to be converting from grams to kilograms. So again, remember, 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. So therefore, if I am going from grams to kilograms, I am not going to be multiplying now. I'm going to be dividing by 1,000. So let's have a look at these ones here. So remember, when you're dividing by 1,000, when you divide, everything moves to the right. Dividing by 1,000, okay, so there's 3 place value zeros there. I'm going to move 3 places to the right. So 9,000 grams, what is that in kilograms? So it's 9,000 divided by 1,000 is 9 kilograms. 1,755 grams is 1.755 kilograms. 5,670 grams, divide that by 1,000, will give you 5.67. Notice the 0 that could be here, okay, it's not, because it's not needed, okay? If you want to put it there, that is absolutely fine, it will still work. And 3,200 grams, that's 3,200 divided by 1,000, that will give you 3.2 kilograms. Okay, so have a go at doing these yourself, pause the video if you need to, and then press play to see the answers. So 8,000 grams, that's 8 kilograms. 3,219 grams, 3.219 kilograms. 8,430 grams, 8.43 kilograms. And 3,500 grams is 3.5 kilograms. Okay then. Now let's have a little look at the word problem here now. It's going to use some logic. So in my delivery house, robots pack goods into boxes for home delivery. Now there are guidelines about lifting boxes because we don't want the engineers to have to do extra work and we don't want the robots to get broken. So here are the guidelines. Robots with a mass of 165 kilograms or greater and a height of 170 meters or taller can lift boxes up to 20 kilograms. Robots with a mass less than 165 kilograms or a height less than 170 centimeters can only lift boxes up to 16 kilograms in mass. So let's have a little look at that one then. Okay, so the guidelines here. Robots that are heavier, a mass greater than 165 kilograms, and are taller, they have a height more than 170 centimeters, can lift up to 20 kilograms. And robots with a mass less than 165 kilograms or a height less than 170 centimeters can only lift boxes up to 16 kilograms. So here we go. We've got Shoptimus. He weighs 125 kilograms and he's 185 centimeters tall. So can he lift 20 kilograms or can he only lift 16? Well, let's have a look. So the criteria has got to be the mass is 165 kilograms or heavier. Well, hold on. He's 125, so he's lighter. So no, he cannot lift the 20 kilogram boxes. I don't even need to look at the height part because he's not this weight. So I can go straight here. Shoptimus can only lift 16 kilogram boxes. Let's have a look now at Shoptobot. So Shoptobot is 180 kilograms and he's 175 centimeters tall. Can he lift 20 kilograms or 16 kilograms? Well, let's have a look. Robots with a mass of 165 kilograms or greater. Well, he's 180 kilograms, so yes, that one's tick. That one is fine. Let's now look at his height. 175 centimeters height. Well, he's taller than 170, so tick. So therefore, he can lift 20 kilogram boxes. Okay. And now let's look at the final robot at Shoppy. Here is Shoppy. He's 170 kilogram mass and 169 centimeters tall. So 20 kilograms or 16 kilograms. 170 kilograms mass. Well, he's heavier than the mass that says, so yes. So he's on 20 kilograms. 169 centimeters. Uh-oh. He's smaller than this, so he cannot lift 20 kilogram boxes. He can only lift 16 kilogram boxes, okay? Because whilst his weight, his mass is absolutely fine, his height is not, okay? So he can only lift 16 kilogram boxes. Now then, that brings on to the next step of our questions. So here is Shoptmax, 160 kilograms and 1.65 meters tall. So we've just learned that he can only lift 16 kilogram boxes. So let's see if he can lift this box. So the box, inside this box here, he's got washing powder, fruit, vegetables, tinned items, packets, frozen items, a general delivery going out. What would we have to do here to find out if he can lift this box? Well, what we would have to do is add them all up. But if you look, they're all in different measurements. I can't just do 3,000 plus 1.65. Okay, I'm going to have to convert them all to the same unit of measurement. Now, it doesn't matter whether you put them all into grams or you put them all into kilograms. It does not matter, as long as you can put them all into the same unit of measurements. Now, the way that I'm going to go, okay, when I change all of these masses into the same units, I'm going to go into kilograms, okay? So you can see that I have changed 3,000 grams is actually 3 kilograms. 3,500 grams of tinned items is 3.5 kilograms. Now, this means it's much easier to now add them together, okay? Because I've got very clear decimal points and I can add them up. So you would add them up, and in this case, add them all up, and it'll get you to 14.255 kilograms. Can he lift the box? Yes, yes, he can. Okay, then. Let's look at the next one. We have got Shoptobot, and we learned that he was 180 kilograms and 175 meters in height, so he could lift boxes that were 20 kilograms heavy. So let's have a little look at this box that he was meant to be lifting up. What's the first thing you should do when you're going to have to add these up? Well, the first thing you're going to have to do is to make all the units of measurement for the masses the same. So let's do that first. I'm going to put all of mine into kilograms. It's going to leave me with smaller numbers to add up. Okay, so there we go. I've got my small units of measurement. They're all in the same. Okay, they're all kilograms, and I can now add them up. Have a go at adding them up. Pause the video, have a go at adding them up, and see, can he lift the box? Is he allowed to lift that box? Okay, are we ready? Is he allowed to lift the box? Well, the box weighs 23.21 kilograms. When I add all of these up, it comes to 23.21 kilograms. So, can he lift them? Or is he allowed to lift this box? Nope, he is not, because he can only lift up to 20 kilograms, so he cannot lift it. The box is too heavy. Okay, and that's what you're going to be looking at today. Okay, your work is all about this. Now, what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to do some changing of units of measurement, okay, changing of units of mass, and then you're going to have to do some addition or subtraction. So read your questions carefully and have a go at them. Remember, I am here if you need any help. We'll be looking at this in a little bit more detail this morning in our daily Skype sessions. Have a wonderful session, Year 6, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.